Hi, welcome to PAL Osteopathy and Massage Center.
Okay, hi everyone, and also welcome back to another. So what we're going to be doing today is stretching and showing you how to articulate and stretch the forearm muscles. These are commonly getting very tight on people with lots of keyboard use, guitar playing, golf, tennis, and can culminate in the dreaded conditions of a golf or tennis elbow, otherwise known as medial epicondylitis or lateral epicondylitis. One of the easiest ways of taking care of this is a regular stretching program to do before it becomes an issue, and then we're going to lead on to some certain things that you can do to modify your rackets, your clubs, or your keyboard setup as well to stop it coming back. Alright, so here we go. One of the first things to do, gentle wrist rolls, just very gentle, getting the synovial fluid moving around the small little carpal bones in the wrist. Some finger flicks, just to get some fluid moving through the little joints within the finger joints. And then one of the best ways that we always say about as well is just giving each of the small areas in between the knuckles just a little bit of almost like a finger massage. Just very gently, just to work each individual pad very gently. Okay, so you'll go through both hands very gently, just work it. Okay, once you've done that, one of the best ones is a prayer stretch, where a prayer stretch here, and you should feel it along here. Now, if you only get to here because it's that tight, don't worry about that. That's why you're doing the stretch. So just bring it gently down. Don't fool ourselves by letting the palms come away. Try and keep it truthful and keep those cups of the hands together. And then gently backwards and forwards with the fingertips. If you get too much excessive pulling here, do just back it up and bring the press and we'll just slightly higher. And then as you get better and more flexible, you should be able to bring it down. If you do it one side, hold it for about 10-15 seconds, not too much, but just enough. And then relax it, shake it out, some finger flicks. Then we'll go on the opposite side. Again, gently fingers backwards and forwards like this. And again, with this one, you should be feeling it on the top part of the arms here and here. And again, just gentle. All right. Now, one of the other ones is, it's also a test for a condition, so called the Quervains, but we're going to do it as a stretch. So you just hold the thumb thus, make a fist, and just gently bring the wrist down here. And this is, you're going to feel quite a stretch here. And again, just hold it 5-10 seconds, let it go. It can sometimes, if you hold it for too long, bring on a little bit of a cramp feeling here. So just hold it 5-10 seconds, not too much pressure, don't pull on it, that's fine. Another one, make a fist, hold this part of the hand and gently pull it underneath, gently, nothing too much. These tendons don't like being overstretched. Remember why we're doing it is to get the forearm muscles. So just gently like this, finger flick and stretch it out afterwards. And then again, here. Some of you will feel it in different areas, that's okay. All right, and then the last one, make stars with your hands, finger pads meet finger pads, gently push them together like you're going to be doing a prayer stretch. And again, side to side. Okay, so finger pads come together here, there, gently side to side. Finger pads touch, gently here. That's great. Then another one just to help on in between the bones in the hand is gentle, just laying them out like this. Again, this is not overly vigorous, just gentle, like that. And then if you can, and you have the ability to do it, it doesn't cause too much tenderness on either side, just gently grip and roll your hand. So I'm working on these muscles here, the extensor muscles, they do that. Gentle grip, hold, and just gently move the hand around like that. Again, not too much grip, it's just enough to break up any muscular adhesions in that forearm, and then switch, and then do it that way as well. You're going to get a little bit of a thing, your reflex on both sides, flick and shake the hands out, grip on this side, gently hand roll 3 or 4 times each way, and then same on the inside. If you start to get any tingling, pins and needles going into the hands, back off. And I hope that helps you. So this is a great one for any tendonitis or forearm tensions from being on the computer, guitar playing your racket sports. Okay, stay well one and all.
Remember, health is wealth.
And movement is medicine.
Stay well one and all.
See you soon.